We are introducing here new CRM feature for real estate industry. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Watch our previous video for full CRM tutorial. You can use CRM on your mobile browser through CRM URL. Property pending leads dashboard for buyers sellers with properties matching details. You can switch between property leads dashboard to CRM dashboard. You can post buyer or seller's property details in property lead. It provides you leads report with filter options. Property pending leads dashboard for buyers sellers with properties matching details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.